officially good morning, guys. So just finished C-Day breakfast at the Palm restaurant here on Mardi Gras, and now it's probably about 12:30. So now I'm just gonna see what we have to do. Might get in the pool depending on how the weather is. It's really here.
Oh yeah.
That's right. And then this is the Carnival kitchen, and they are cooking here. So that's fun if you want to cook here on Carnival, you can. So that's a fun little thing to do. But yeah, I have something planned for today. I will show y'all whenever I get back to the room and explain what I'm gonna do. But anyways, for right now, yeah, I'm just gonna see how the weather is outside, because I do want to get in the pool. Not really, but we'll see. We'll see how the day plans out. It's a C-Day. Hey guys, so I'm back in the room, and guess what I'm gonna do today? I am gonna see if I put a pineapple on the door, what is gonna happen? Listen, y'all, I ain't got nothing to do. It's a 7-day cruise, and I just want to see if it really goes down in the pineapple world. Okay, in the upside down pineapple world, or is it just the regular pineapple world? I don't know. I want to know if it really goes down. So I'm gonna put this outside of my door and see if I get any play, or is it just all smoke and mirrors? Are y'all just playing out here? Is this a real secret society that's going on with the pineapples? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out, and I just want to see what's gonna happen throughout this cruise. Okay, Chloe, this ain't for you, this for grown folks, but I just want to see. And FYI, no, I'm not like this at all. This is just a prank, kinda. Just want to see for my informational purposes if this works or not. Okay, the pineapple. So let me go put it on. Okay, so I have it. I'm gonna put it right here because I don't have any tape. I don't have tape. Wait. That didn't work out. Let's see how I can stick it in. Perfect. All right, guys, I got it. Let's see if it works out. Should I do it like slanted, like that? Like slightly upside down? Or to the side? I don't know. It's kind of cute though. All right, long story short, we'll see what happens. So I made a stop at the Fortune Teller Bar. Let me tell you, if you are ever on Carnival Mardi Gras, definitely come and check out this bar. They have some of the amazing drinks I've ever tasted. I tried the Crystal Ball, that's a fan favorite. And I also tried the Abracadabra. I tried that one at this stop. I'll show you that in a minute. But they have the book of drinks, you know, and it has all kinds. So if you ever stop by, definitely get, that's the one I tried, the Abracadabra, and I'll let you see that in a second. But definitely try some of these drinks, honey, because they were really good. And I tried quite a few.
Throw that inside.
Okay.
Take the mesh cord Which is?
Abracadabra. Okay.
Let's go, witcher.
Abracadabra. Woo! Thank you. Ooh. Okay guys, so headed to dinner at Chibang. It is elegant night, so I had to get dressed up, and so did Chloe. Yeah, so we're gonna head out to Chibang. Our table is ready. The app just told us our table is ready, so we're heading out now to get some food and take some pictures.
Go.
Okay, this is what I'm wearing tonight for elegant night. Get the shoes. Bam. Yeah. So we're gonna get some dinner. So I'm here in Chibang, and this is the first time we're eating. And you guys know that they do charge for the second night that you do eat $8. So if you do want to come here second time, you would have to pay. This is our first night, so I don't have to pay. So I'm just waiting on the food to come.
Really? No, he wasn't. No, you wasn't. You made him in Australia.
No.
Okay, I want to go there, but I have no idea about it.
Hey guys, so we just, after dinner, we took pictures and everything, went back to the room, changed, about to drop baby Chloe off at the daycare, and then we're gonna go to a comedy show. So after that, it's probably gonna be the end of the night.
Yeah.
She said yeah. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna conclude day 2 on Carnival Mardi Gras, and I will see you all tomorrow. Actually guys, change of plans. I'm going to Lido deck to see what's going on. I think there's a mega deck party.
Deck 16.
But we'll see what's going on up here.
Very nice and simple. These guys already know. I'm going to teach you very, very quickly. Everybody hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. All right. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Then 2 to the right. 1 and 2. And 2 to the left. 1 and 2. All right. We're going to start again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands down. 2, 3, 4 to the right.
Ooh, baby. Y'all ready? I said, y'all ready?
everybody. Woo. Let's try this out. Let's get this out good. Hello. All my ladies say hi. All my fellas say what's up. Right?
I went to the Limelight Lounge after the deck party to check out DJ Q, and he had the crowd oh so hyped. Hey guys, so I did not end the vlog properly. I ended it once and then now I'm ending it again. So this is really the next day, but I have to end it. Yeah, last night was pretty fun. Nothing really happened with the whole pineapple thing. It's still there, it's still on my door. We're gonna see, but yeah, stay tuned to see if I get any hits or anything like that, any knocks on the doors. I don't know how this works. So yeah, so we're gonna see how that plays out. Make sure you follow me in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.